Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to design eye-catching TikTok graphics using Canva. With the right graphics, you can make your TikTok videos stand out and attract more followers. Let's get started. First, head over to canva.com and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Design button and select Custom Size. For TikTok graphics, a good size to use is 1080 x 1920 pixels. Start with a blank template. Now that we have our custom size set, we'll start with a blank template. This gives us the freedom to create a design that truly represents our style and brand. Click on the blank canvas to begin. Add a background. First, let's add a background. You can choose a solid color, a gradient, or even an image. For a solid color or gradient, click on the background and then the color icon at the top. For an image, click on Photos in the left sidebar and search for a relevant image, or upload your own by clicking Uploads. Make sure your background is high quality and visually appealing. Text addition and customization. Next, let's add some text. Click on the Text tab in the left sidebar and select Add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text, depending on your needs. Enter your text, which could be your TikTok handle, a catchy phrase, or any other information you want to include. Customize the font style, size, and color to match your branding. Position the text where it looks best on your design. You can also add effects to your text, such as shadows or outlines, by clicking on the Effects button at the top. Element addition and customization. Now, let's add some fun elements like stickers, icons, or shapes. Click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar and search for what you need. Drag and drop them onto your design and position them where they look best. You can also adjust their size and color to fit your design. Final touches and download your graphic. For the final touches, make sure everything is aligned and visually appealing. Use Canva's alignment tools to help with this. Double-check your design to ensure it's polished and professional. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download your graphic. Click on the Share button at the top right corner, select PNG or JPG for the best quality, and hit the download button. And there you have it. An eye-catching TikTok graphic designed from scratch using Canva. Now, you can use it in your TikTok videos to make them stand out and attract more followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.